Hello, Scouts. At our last meeting, I mentioned the Gardening Merit Badge. Right now, you are looking at my raspberry patch. Raspberries grow in two ways. If you see here are some of the old raspberries, which have seeds, which when they drop to the ground, will allow the plants to grow new berry bushes. The other way is through the root system. The roots, as they grow, will send up new sprouts. This was only 2 bushes when I started 4 years ago. Right now I'm retting out some of the dead canes. They only grow on the second year, and that's what these are here. The third year ones are the ones I am removing. If any of you are interested in the Gardening Merit Badge and would like a couple of raspberry bushes for your own garden to grow raspberries this year, please send me a message and I will take and get some ready for you. Thank you. We'll talk again soon.